The ability to use one app to quote appointments you've scheduled is now available with MarketSharp. You're already using MarketSharp. Let's make it easier on your sales team and convert more leads to sales on the spot. You can select your products, add your quantity, and let your lead know how much better than your competition you really are. The new quoting feature allows users to update their price book, estimate multiple products on the spot, and easily transfer all of the information into the job for production purposes. Here's how it looks. So the first thing you'll see in your admin section is the quoting setup. So this is very easily allowing you to set up your templates, your pricing, and your company tax rate. If we go to the templates, you can add a template. You can name them, of course, according to product or multiple product. Your product pricing. Here you can put in any and all, descriptions that might be needed for each product, and of course that tax rate. If we look at a specific template, there's the naming function description, for your roofing, for example, maybe these 4 items are all that's needed. And then of course, when we build this out for individual purposes, then we'll be able to input the quantities. So let's now look at the lead section and an appointment, and that way we can see what this is looking like in real life. So if we go into our appointment here, and we can see this is with Stephen Agard, we have our proposals and quotes. If we go to the quotes, I can see that there is one that was proposed. I can just see that there's really no data that was entered into it. If I click the pencil icon, I can edit the information, of course, that is shown within. So here, just like the roofing template that we looked at, here are the 4 options. We can throw in our quantities, our price, and we can move forward from there. From looking at the quoted section here, once you would, of course, like we are accustomed to, make this a sold result or demo sold, this would trigger it over to a customer. The same thing can happen from the editing of the quote and your status section here. If we hit accepted, congratulations on your sale. And then here it's going to put in your follow-up process. It's going to trigger this to save and create a job. So let's transition over to viewing it from the customer perspective. So here is the customer. We have quotes that were built out here. We can see 3 different proposals that were built. There's a roofing, siding, windows. Now, in the previous example with roofing, let's say that yes, we created a proposal, we built out a proposal template that builds and looks something similar to this. Now, this will be something that you can customize and truly make your own, but again, is just giving the idea, the understanding of what something could look like coming through that quoted section. The other thing that we're looking at here, of course, is, well, this has 3 different quotes, and for each one, we should, of course, expect different things. But like in our siding, well, we have different products. So in this particular case, we can see Hardy. We can see the soffit and fascia added here as well. Quantities, price, tax. Of course, here we can move forward. Let's say they call us back and they're ready to move forward. It's as easy as just clicking accept on that and then moving over to your job section to, of course, continue and start your installation scheduling. The next one with windows, same type of scenario. You can put in as many product and descriptions as needed. And in this case, you can see the Pella Architect Series windows is what was selected for this. Moving forward, it's there. If they accept that, of course, we're moving forward to the next step. When we look at the Jobs tab in MarketSharp, now we can see what is listed under that roofing quote that's sold. So we have each of our products laid out and that tax amount. So for each particular detail, it's going to have that description. So this would be underlayment or nails, the asphalt, and the ice and water there. And then we can throw in with production, we can still throw in our steps of, installation, approving contracts, so on and so forth, as we're accustomed to doing. Really, at this point, you know where to take it from here because nothing's changed beyond what this quote process and building it all the way through to the job that you've just seen. So I want to thank you for looking at the new quoting feature. We'll have our support team ready to assist with further questions to your specific needs. We'll also, in the help portal, have multiple document and video tutorials to take you even further down your journey on the MarketSharp estimating platform.